In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trend angle on Tradingview. This quick and easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that by the end of the video, you will have the skills and confidence to effectively use trend angles on your charts. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Tradingview chart. Make sure you're logged in and have the chart of interest open on your screen. Tradingview offers a wide range of options for different financial instruments, so feel free to choose whichever chart is most relevant to your analysis today. Once you have your chart ready, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find various tools and features that Tradingview has to offer. Clicking here will allow you to access the toolbox, which contains the essential drawing tools we need. Now, locate the trend line tools within this toolbox. These tools are designed to help you draw various lines on your chart, aiding in technical analysis. Click on the Trendline tools to reveal a drop-down menu with different options. Among these, you'll see the Trend Angle option. Selecting the trend angle is crucial, as this will be the tool we use to determine the angle between 2 points on your chart. With the Trend Angle tool activated, it's time to click on the first point you wish to measure from. This can be any point of interest on your chart, such as a recent low or high, depending on your analysis preference. After selecting your first point, move your cursor to the last point where you'd like to measure the angle to. This will typically be another significant point on your chart, perhaps the most recent high or low. Clicking on the last point will create the trend angle line on your chart, giving you a clear visual indication of the angle you're analyzing. One of the great features of the Trend Angle tool is its customization options. You can adjust the color, line thickness, and other visual aspects to better suit your chart's overall design and improve visibility. This flexibility is valuable, especially when you have multiple analyses on a single chart. Additionally, you have the ability to move the trend angle line to any position on your chart, allowing for easy adjustments and comparisons as market conditions change. Just click and drag the angle to reposition it as needed. Understanding the benefits of using a trend angle can significantly enhance your trading strategies. It provides a precise measure of the slope of a trend, helping you make more informed decisions. By incorporating trend angles into your analysis, you can identify potential reversals or continuations more reliably. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a trend angle on Tradingview. With these steps, you can enhance your charting skills and add an extra dimension to your market analysis. Happy charting, and may your trading be ever successful.